Hey YouTubers, welcome to my series Born in the Country. I just want to do a quick video comparing the Echo Black Diamond line to the standard line. This is the line that comes with the Echo GT225, and this is a little bit more expensive. This was about $26 for this roll, and the roll of this stuff was about $20, and that's up here in Canada at a big box store. I'm sure it's cheaper in the States. So I just want to compare the two lines. I'm going to do a test out in my field. I'm going to cut for a minute with each line, and we'll see if the black diamond line is worth the extra money. Okay, I'm going to put some new line on here. I'm going to take this old one off. It's pretty easy. You see some guys, they pull it out with their fingers, but I'm just going to use a pair of pliers. It comes out pretty easy. And then you just shove her in there. It goes in, it'll only go in one way. Put it in. Just like that. So let's start out with the standard red line that comes with the machine. I timed it with my watch. That was a minute's cutting. And then let's compare that to the other line. So once it's warmed up, it starts really easy. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do this for a minute. So it's kind of hard to see. Here's the patch I cut with the regular line. I don't know, it's about 4x9. And here's the patch I cut with the razor line. And you can see it's a little bit bigger. I think it's about, well, 6x9, maybe a little bit less. So it's a bit bigger than the regular line patch. And that was just cutting for 1 minute. So over the course of an hour, that would add up, and it would probably make it worth buying a more expensive line. So I just wanted to check that out and share that with you. So cheers, thanks for watching. Check out my series Going into the Country. There's lots of stuff on there, tips and tricks that I've picked up since moving out from the city in 1990. And check out my YouTube channel. There's all kinds of stuff there. It's very eclectic. You'll find documentaries and other how-to videos. So cheers. Thanks for watching.